Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the speaker has power, plug the USB-C cable into a known good charger, and connect it to the Charge 5. You do this because the unit reports battery state only when it has juice, so getting it to a wakeful state is essential. Once it's plugged in, look for the LED feedback near the power button. Make sure to also turn the speaker on, because an off device cannot communicate charge level to your phone. You now read the speaker's battery using its built-in indicators and your paired device. The LED bar shows approximate charge. More lit segments means more remaining battery, which is why you count lights for a quick estimate. If your phone is paired, open Bluetooth settings. Many phones display the device battery percent automatically. That gives a precise reading. Once done, compare the LED count with the phone percent to verify accuracy, and make sure the speaker is not in low-power sleep mode. You finish by confirming a full charge and handling errors. Charge the unit until the LEDs or your phone show full, because a full charge calibrates the indicator behavior. If readings are absent or inconsistent, reboot the speaker by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This clears minor firmware states. Make sure to swap the USB-C cable and charger to rule out faulty power delivery. If problems persist, contact JBL support. But rebooting and using a known good cable resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.